Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study nomenclature of phenols. The term ortho 1,2 disubstituted, meta 1,3 disubstituted, and para 1,4 disubstituted are often used in common names. For example, you can see 2-bromophenol where OH is at carbon number 1 and Br is at carbon number 2. Common name of this compound is orthobromophenol. Next one is 3-nitrophenol. Common name is metanitrophenol. 4-ethylphenol and common name is para-ethylphenol. So we have seen orthobromophenol, 2-bromophenol, 3-nitrophenol, metanitrophenol, 4-ethylphenol, para-ethylphenol. Phenols may be monohydric, dihydric or trihydric depending on the number of hydroxyl groups. If there is two hydroxyl group, then it will be dihydric. If there is one hydroxyl group, then it is monohydric. And if there is three hydroxyl group, then it is called trihydric in the benzene ring. For example, you can see here OH group is at carbon number 1 and carbon number 3. So name of this compound is benzene 1,3-diol. Similarly, OH group is at 1 and 4 position. It is benzene 1,4-diol, and OH group is at 1, 2 and 3 position, known as benzene 1,2,3-triol. Next is preparation of phenol. Phenol can be prepared from haloarenes. Haloarenes means benzene, and in that benzene one hydrogen must be substituted by any halogens. Then it is called haloarene. Substituted benzenes are commonly known as arenes. So when chlorobenzene is treated with NaOH at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure is very high, so you can see here that condition is very harsh, very drastic condition is there. Then there is formation of sodium phenoxide, which after workup or treatment with acidulated water, here HCl is written, we can take acidulated water, results in formation of phenol. But this is not a good method of preparation of phenol, because for generating 300 atmospheric pressure we need a huge amount of electricity, so the cost of production of phenol will be very high. So it is not a practical method of preparation of phenol. Next one is from benzene sulfonic acid. So in this method, benzene is treated with oleum. Oleum, formula of oleum is H2S2O7. It is dehydration product of H2SO4. So when oleum is used to react with benzene, then there will be formation of benzene sulfonic acid. And when this benzene sulfonic acid is first treated with sodium hydroxide, it will result in formation of sodium phenoxide. And again, when sodium phenoxide is treated with H+, then it results in formation of phenol. Next one is from benzene diazonium salts. Diazonium salt is prepared by treating aniline with NaNO2 and HCl, also known as mineral acid. It results in formation of nitrous acid HNO2, and this nitrous acid is highly unstable and highly reactive. That's why NaNO2 and HCl is used, so that it could be used immediately. We cannot store HNO2 or nitrous acid due to unstable behavior of this compound. So when aniline is treated with NaNO2 and HCl, then it results in formation of benzene diazonium chloride. This reaction is highly exothermic. So the whole reaction mixture is kept inside water bath, so that temperature must be maintained between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 to 278 Kelvin. When this benzene diazonium chloride is treated with H2O, warm H2O, then it results in formation of phenol. A molecule of nitrogen gas is liberated and HCl is also released as byproduct. Next is preparation from cumene. Cumene is also known as isopropyl benzene. An Friedel-Crafts reaction, the video in which I have discussed Friedel-Crafts reaction, in that video I have discussed in detail how to prepare cumene. So when cumene is oxidized, then it results in formation of cumene hydroperoxide, and when this cumene hydroperoxide is treated with acidulated water, acidulated water is acidic water, then it results in formation of phenol and acetone. This method is used worldwide for the preparation of phenol, and it is an industrial method of production of phenol. Now we will solve in text questions, starting with in text question 11.4. Question is, so how are the following alcohols prepared by the reaction of suitable Grignard reagent on methanol? So remember one thing, methanol gives a CS2OH part. A rest part of the hydrocarbon is obtained from R alkyl group of Grignard reagent. For example, in question number first, answer will be CH3 CH CH3 MgBr. This is our R alkyl group. This alkyl group is transferred to the methanol and it results in formation of 2-methyl propanol. In the second question, our Grignard reagent will be MgBr, that is cyclohexyl magnesium bromide, because CS2OH part will get from methanol. So this is our Grignard reagent. Now in text question 11.5, write structures of products of the following reaction. First one is CH3CH double bond CH2. It will follow Markovnikov addition. In H2O, two part is there, H plus and OH minus. H plus will go to those carbon, double bonded carbon, which has more number of hydrogens, and negative part means OH minus will go to those carbon which has less number of hydrogen. So our product will be CH3 CH OH and CH3, that is propane to all. In the second question, we have reagent NaBH4. We have studied that NaBH4 is a reducing agent for carbonyl group, but it cannot reduce carboxylic group. So here we can see two C double bond O, but one C double bond O is of carboxylic group. The circled C double bond O is of carboxylic group, so carboxylic group cannot be reduced by NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Only ketonic C double bond O is reduced, so product will be this will be our product. In question number third, CHO will be reduced to CH2OH, or our product will be CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2OH. This will be our product. So hope you have understood the in-text question and preparation of phenol. Now you have to learn the method of preparation of phenol and again try to solve these in-text questions. In the next video, we'll discuss some properties of phenol like acidic strength of phenols, what is the effect of substituents on acidity of phenols. We'll compare the acidity of alcohol and phenols. Thank you.